Hey folks, Sean here with the latest edition of Beer-snobby goodness. Up this time as one that is compliments of my wife. She was on a little road trip last week visiting people, and they all went to a place I've never even heard of. It is called Third Wave Brewing Company. They were located in Delmar, Maryland, or is that Delaware? It's in fact a border town on the Maryland and Delaware border, hence the name of the town. So this is called Sandstorm, which was very difficult to see on the video. Yeah, Sandstorm. This is a Belgian-style triple. Let's see. Pours a light golden color. Let's see. And I've got my trusty stats up here. Let's see. Alcohol by volume. This is a little potent for even a Belgian triple. It's 8.9 to 9.1, depending on the batch. IBU rating 33 to 35. And let's see. The malts was brewed with Pilsner malt and hopped with Chinook, Pearl, and Hallertau Mittelfrau. Frau? Anyway, taking the aroma. Definitely picking up a sweet note. A little bit of floral. I can smell a hint of banana, just a little bit. It does have, to my nose, all of the classic notes of a Belgian triple. So, without further ado, gonna dive on in. Cheers. So far, not bad. Pretty smooth. There's definitely a distinctive herbal character on the front end of this. Cloves, I believe. Picking up a little bit of that banana on the front end. And definitely a good combination of herbal and banana note. Light floral character. Ever so slightly grassy nip on the back end, but overall pretty decent so far. And yeah, I'm curious to see how this pairs up with dinner, so be back in a little bit. Let's see. Overall, not too bad actually. The banana note is not super prevalent. I mean, most of what I'm getting is that herbal, and spicy clove character. Overall, very pleasant to drink beer. It, on some levels, almost reminds me of the Saison du Buff, that collaboration beer that Victory, Dogfish, and Stone put out in some form or another most years. So that gives you an idea. I mean, this is not as potent as that, but good solid flavor. Quite drinkable. Nice summer beer, although at close to 10% alcohol by volume. I wouldn't recommend downing one of these quickly on a 90-degree day, but good stuff nonetheless, and goes well with a meat and pasta dish. So, I'll do it. Till next time, this is Sean. Cheers.